Korean channel on the video. Oh my god. That's a burger. Big bar. Subscribe to my channel. I gotta make a basic burger.
Alright, can you show the ingredients you have?
Yes, salt, pepper, oil, flour, what? Beet? Yeah.
What is that?
Basically,
And what's at the front there?
bed,
And beans.
beans, blender.
And you have a
There's the
blender.
pepper and the blender and the rubber, and that's dangerous.
It's dangerous, huh?
Yeah. And now we need the bread.
Where you put it?
There.
Okay, go ahead.
What is
Hmm,
that?
tastes good, huh?
Yeah. Yep. Goodbye.
Thank you.
Okay, good.
What are you going to put next, eh?
Pete.
Okay. Tastes good, huh?
Now. On the way. Yeah.
Give it to Daddy.
Good.
What's next, Chef?
Oil.
Okay.
And what next? Yeah, the peppers. And then salt. That's it.
Salty.
Have a blender. Okay. Fine. I turn it off. Oh, now we pull it.
Okay.
Hi, Gary. Freaking it out. Oh my god. Go. Wait. Yummy. I'll take that. Yeah. We kept it together. Nito,
You do it like that. You make a circle.
Yeah. Let's put it on
Okay.
the tray. That's saying burger. Same tree.
Did you make 3 burgers?
Yeah, it's 4 burgers here.
Okay.
Make it purple.
Oh, this one is a squash?
Yeah. I did put my squat in.
Okay.
A big two.
You like it like that?
Yeah. I use it with the spoon on my hands. Oh, what is cheese here?
Is that squash?
Yeah, and cheese. Sprinkle flour. Now I do it with the spoon.
Okay.
Oh. Here's the mix. Next, big ball. And then clot it.
Okay.
Now we take it out. Do it like that. And you put it there. And do it another one.
Roll it around.
Whoa!
Let
It's
me
like
get
the
a shot.
earth. When the earth goes up and then it goes to earth, and then it goes too far to the earth. So, the big. Oh,
How does it look?
good.
All right.
Yeah.
Are you taking out your apron right now?
Yeah, and then I need to change it.
You need to change it, huh? Are you going to put your burgers in the oven now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my god, I don't know how to put this out.
You got to turn around. That was, oh, you're taking it out now.
Now we can get it open.
Okay.
The toppings.
The topping.
I forgot to put
Can I see?
onions,
Mm-hmm.
cabbage, fennel, tomatoes, ketchup. What? Oh my god. What? Two.
Okay.
I have my onion down, guys. Okay. 2. Yeah. Oh yeah. Stop. And then you put it on the bottom. X. Carrot. Go. You make a good guys. Yeah, and then we need to put all this right there.
Okay.
See? Hi, thank you guys for watching.